How to file annual report for LLC in Kentucky. First of all, to file an annual report for your Kentucky LLC, gather all the necessary information, including your LLC's organization ID number, the principal office address, registered agent details, and the names and addresses of all members and managers. After that, choose your filing method. The fastest way is online through the Kentucky Business One-Stop portal. Simply log in, find your business, update the required information, and electronically sign the report. If you prefer, you can also file by mail by downloading the form from the Secretary of State's website, completing it, and sending it with the $15 filing fee. Next, submit the report and pay the fee. Online payments can be made with a credit card, and mailed filings can include a check or money order. Remember, the filing period is from January 1 to June 30 each year. Missing the deadline can lead to penalties or even dissolution of your LLC. Single-member LLCs may also need to file a separate income tax return, Form 725. So this is how to file annual report for LLC in Kentucky, and make sure to like and subscribe if this helped.